The future isn't coming, it's here. With unprecedented investment in AI and electronics integrated into every element of our lives, the demand for semiconductors has grown exponentially. As a result, the need for TEM metrology has grown as well. But we can't do it like we used to. To accelerate time to data, the old ways of TEM metrology need to change. The key problem is the gap between the lab and the fabrication facility. Currently, getting quality data to the fab is too slow. We need to connect the lab to the fab and streamline metrology data collection. That's exactly what we've been working on for the past decade, and we're the first to develop seamlessly connected TEM Metrology Lab solutions. A combination of materials handling automation and data connectivity creates an integrated workflow that can operate hand-in-hand with the fab. Materials handling solutions, like specialized transfer devices, integrate with the lab's material handling system, enabling automated Lamella transfer and loading. Data connectivity between sample prep and TEM imaging systems makes your fleet of instrumentation more productive. Enhance productivity, increase yield, and reduce operating costs with automated lab solutions from Thermo Fisher Scientific.